A formal review of a course begins with data collection. This is a series of files that are collected that explain the good, the bad, and the ugly about the class. At this point, we want to look at the course from many different angles. Is it meeting the learning needs of the students? Is it addressing the needs of future employers? This phase looks at the learning outcomes. Are they related and linked to the content and also to the assessment? Are they current? As we look at these two questions, we will look at the library and also the outcomes. Use of the library should be demonstrated by a correlation between library content and higher level thinking skills demonstrated by student work. A formal review will also look at the cost of the course materials, and that includes the textbook. Sometimes it'll be recommended that an electronic textbook be supplemented. This may not seem like an important piece of information for exiting a course, but it really is. We need to know who the students are and why they are taking this course or why they're attending this college or university. We also need to be keenly aware that the students are receiving the information, the knowledge that they need to enter the world of work. Are they being prepared for today's workplace? A formal review will also look at faculty. It wants to know the faculty's background and credentials, and is the faculty knowledgeable in this area so they can share personal and real-world experiences. The data collection phase of exiting a course results in evidence of effectiveness. Recommendations and findings from a review of the data collected influence future resources, new textbooks, library collections, and even the hiring of new faculty. In some instances, the data may reflect that the course needs to be revised or even completely discontinued. The data will also show if the faculty development and faculty training is sufficient or if it needs to be changed. Finally, a formal review of a course will look at student satisfaction levels. This will also tell us the quality of the course and any revisions that might need to be made. If done well, those revisions can result in higher student retention levels and higher student satisfaction. I have a short handout for you in the class that shows the major points often used under each of these topics in the data collection phase of a formal review of a course. In our formal assessment of the course, we have looked at comparing this course to other similar courses offered by the competition. We've looked at the learning outcomes. We looked at the library and how that is working effectively for the students. Another topic we covered was student profiles and demographics. Then we looked at faculty. Finally, that data collection led to an evidence of effectiveness. And hopefully the changes that occur because of this formal assessment will make the course even better for our students.